Hey guys, it's me. I meant to do this a couple days ago and completely forgot. But thankfully, this is just kind of to say, guys, we hit 25,000 people. How awesome is that? I became an admin at the end of August, I believe, and we were only at about 4,000, and it's December, and we're at 25,000. That's really, really awesome. That's really impressive. Thank you guys so much for being awesome members. I love reading all the debates and all the topics that you guys have to talk about and all the funny pictures. I love the funny pictures. Thank you guys. You're honestly fantastic. Shout out to the people who noticed my short absence and messaged me to make sure I was still alive. It's just exam time, so you know. Um, Guys, we also have a page that's kind of started. It's called Geek Orbit. We're working on that and making that really cool too, so you should definitely go like that. That's pretty awesome. And Merry Christmas, you know. Guys, hope everything's going well and you're getting your shopping done because it's getting a little close there. I'll probably make another video saying around the same thing in a couple of weeks, but it's the thought that counts. So guys, I hope you all have a fantastic day. You keep being super awesome because we love it when you're awesome and following rules and just being great. Wow. Anyhow, thanks guys. I hope everybody's having a great time. I'm repeating myself. I'm gonna say bye now, guys. Bye.